Mark Sanders is an engineer and industrial designer who's best known for his creative design of folding bikes. His first bike originated as a postgraduate design project.
I'd gone back to college to study industrial design engineering as a postgraduate, and I needed a project, and I also commuted from Windsor into London, and so something that combined cycling with other forms of transport seemed ideal.
Sketching played the crucial role in Mark's exploration of how to turn his basic idea into a concept design.
Like the process before, I immersed myself in the problem and really tried to think of every possible way of making a structure that could fold. I didn't really worry about which ideas were good and which ideas were bad. I just got down as many ideas as possible at this stage to really try and cover the whole of the area.
To decide which of his many concepts might work, he needed to categorise them and narrow them down using the criteria in his specification.
It boiled down to basically two shapes, the triangular shape and an X-type configuration. And so what I did here was to put the different drive arrangements along the different frame arrangements and check back that they all must fold into a long, thin shape.
There were also practical and engineering factors to consider.
For example, we can't have a chain which crosses a joint or a belt which crosses the joint, and so some ideas were automatically thrown out due to these practical considerations.
To make sure that the bike was actually going to be rideable, the next stage was to make a full-size mock-up, cobbled together out of bits of old bicycle. The fully adjustable joints and fittings helped Mark to come up with a final design, the first triangular frame folding bike. Its great strength was the simplicity of its folding mechanism. It was a considerable commercial success, with some 25,000 sold worldwide.
One of my driving philosophies is to make design affordable, in other words, design within reach. And so one ideal thing for the Strida would be to keep the costs down so that it's an affordable, useful product that a lot of people can get benefit from. I obviously totally believe in it and believe in its advantages of being able to link other forms of transport, but I'd like to be able to offer that to as many people as possible.